Welcome back to Italy, guys! This time we are wandering up and down on the roads of the beautiful Tuscany.
Wonderful! Amazing!
In this video I'm going to give you some tips about the best spots where you can take amazing pictures of the Tuscan landscape. We go visit astonishing hamlets. We are going to enjoy life by beautiful free thermal oases in the middle of the nature, enjoy great wine and much more. So, stay tuned!
Well, I see. It has become a habit here in Montepulciano, in Piazza Grande, to shoot movies, to organize concerts, events. I came here to see the fountain, Twilight. Do you remember? He got out of that building behind me, she ran from right there, but the fountain... No fountain. It was fake, probably. They brought from Hollywood. But yeah, the town hall behind me, not fake. And the effort to climb is real. But when you are on the top, the view is amazing. Montepulciano is popular for wine, red wine. Indeed, here in town there are a lot of cellars. And in times of war between Siena and Florence to control Montepulciano, the locals, they were used to hide in cellars. And what could they do in a cellar? Of course, they drank a lot of wine. Indeed, here in Montepulciano there is a common saying, drunk but safe. We have a lot of wines in Italy, thousands of different wines, and we don't even know how many. But we do know they are divided in categories, and DOCG considered top quality wine in Italy. Denomination, designation of controlled origins, and G, guaranteed. And Montepulciano, first DOCG wine in Italy in 1980. But allora, we are in Tuscany, we are talking about wine, and of course we have to talk of another great wine, Brunello di Montalcino.
Yes, Brunello! Produced for centuries, nowadays one of the best and most popular wines in the world.
And the wine we drink here is called Vino Nobile, the noble wine, because Poliziano, an important popular citizen from Montepulciano, he was the counselor of Lorenzo the Magnificent, the governors of Florence during medieval time, but Poliziano was also a great poet, and so he was called the noble poet. Noble poet, noble wine. The inhabitants of Montepulciano, they are not called Montepulcianese, no. They are called Poliziani, the ancient name of the city, Mons, mountain, we are on a hills, Politianus. Everything clear, no? Amazing Montepulciano, but...
Yeah, really hot today. So, back on the roads of Tuscany.
Wonderful! Amazing!
In Val d'Orcia you'll find some of the most iconic landscapes of Tuscany. In the description of this video you find the links to some of the best spots where I'm sure you will take some great pictures, including spots that became popular because, thanks to their beauty, they were picked to shoot scenes of very well-known movies.
Do I look like a gladiator?
But shut up, Stefano, and let them enjoy these beautiful views.
Wow, this morning we woke up just here. That one is our camper, Pienza, and I mean guys, don't know what to say. Val d'Orcia, Tuscany, welcome to Italy. There are many beautiful villages throughout Tuscany, but Pienza is absolutely not to be missed, because it's a special one. Here the Pope Pius II was born in 1405, and he wanted to transform the ancient Corsignano, now called Pienza, the city of Pius, into the special, ideal, perfect city. From an artistic and architectural point of view, but also he meant perfect city, so people oriented. Indeed, Pienza is a UNESCO heritage site since 1995.
And in a special place like this, even the streets have something special. Their names. For instance, here you can see the Street of the Fortune.
the street of the lily, the street of love, the street of the kiss, and the dark street. And sometimes you also find circles, rings, that tells you where are the best spots where to get the best views of Pienza. But they are also used for another purpose, that it's a local game, is the so-called calcio al fuso, that consists in throwing cheese wheels and trying to score. By the way, I prefer to eat the cheese. But Tuscany is not just beautiful landscapes, great small hamlets and tasty wine. Amazing, by the way. No. Here we have just arrived in a small spa resort called Bagni San Filippo, where you can see the beautiful chalky landscape of the Val d'Orcia and the green woods of Mount Amiata. The landscape on which Bagni San Filippo lies is characterized by white limestone deposits, formed by thermal waters that flow at temperature of 52 Celsius. Here we are in Fosso Bianco, 3 hot springs, where thermal water across the centuries have formed very distinctive white concretions. A true natural thermal oasis, where you can find pools with various temperatures and enjoy the beautiful life here in Tuscany. This is a special spot. It's called the Chapel of the Madonna di Vitaleta, Our Lady of Vitaleta. The chapel itself is amazing, but not just this. Here we are on the top of a hill, and especially the view of the surrounding area is amazing, guys. This is recognized as one of the most panoramic spots in the entire Val d'Orcia. Come here early in the morning, as we did, or in the sunset. That is one of the best moments of the day to enjoy the view. Well, at the same time, probably one of the most crowded moments of the day.
Back on the road. Before saying goodbye to Tuscany, I suggest you not to miss the Abbey of Mount Oliveto. Stunning church in the nature, placed in the very beautiful and quite hilly area of the Crete Senesi. And that's all, folks. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you on the Italian roads.